Morning from sunny Port Glasgow. I am about to start my first session of the week, week 2. This week I have 3 sessions, exactly the same, which is 1 minute walk, 1 minute run, times 15. And then finishing the week off with a 2-mile run. I actually should be walking to stretch my legs just now. I'm going to do it at the Port Glasgow boardwalk this morning. It is just before the Port Glasgow 10k, so hopefully I'll be finished and not get in people's way. Yeah, see you in half an hour. That's done. 2.61 miles. Oh my gosh. It was raining when I left the house, so I put this raincoat on, put my buff, my Harriers buff, on. Actually just made it even hotter. Oh well, finished. Time for a shower. Here's my inspiration, everybody. All these people signed up for the Port Glasgow 10k. Good luck, everyone. Hi everybody, it's session 2 of week 2. I'm not feeling it, but I'm here, I'm about to do it. I'm feeling quite irritable. I've had a bit of a tricky afternoon at home and I could really have just not done with this, but I know that generally you never regret any runs that you've done, so here goes. This guy needs to play a new song. I'm halfway there and I just realised my husband keeps telling me when I'm making these videos I have to have my phone horizontally, it's vertically, so sorry if you see me really small. Maybe that's a good thing. Anyway, gotta go. Half an hour done. Feels so much better for it. Lots of people smiling at me, I think because of Tetris and Tetris. But I've come back and the wee accordion guy still there playing the same really chill. Anyway, number 2 of the week done. I'm on session 3 of week 2. Currently on my walk, 1 run. 30 seconds to go before I'm running. Feeling a bit blah. It's parental stress. Worry about your kids.
Oh, I could cry. Just, you never know what you're doing, whether it's right, beneficial for them, how to handle things. Anyway, back to it. Clearly can't switch my brain off during this run, but how do you protect your children's mental health? How do you protect them from it getting bad or getting worse? In my case, getting worse. Let me know. And when waiting lists for children's services have changed from 9 months to 19 months, are we just letting down our kids after COVID? Should there be more services to deal with that backlog? I have 4 minutes left and I've given myself a talking to. I've been teaching myself how to put positive spins on things, and last night I read something I think is really important, so here's my positive spin. But luckily my daughter has got me. Who needs therapy when you can go out for a wee half-an-hour run? Hi, it's Friday. It's my 4th and last session of week 2. I'm in much better headspace today. I think it's helped by a good day at work and my girls both having a really good first day back at school. So I'm just going to put my head down. It's very windy. I've got 2 miles to run. I'm just going to put my head down, hopefully be able to tune out, and I'll see you when I finish. That's week 2 done. I can concur. I did that with a free headspace. All I was thinking about was getting the distance complete and battling against the headwind as I was running out my first mile. I'm really pleased that I didn't give up, because it would have been really easy. I'm determined to be consistent, which is why I'm posting these videos as well. So if you've watched, thank you. Week 2 done.